back out here on the 1969 Glastron today. Gonna go ahead and actually install my carpet. If you've been following along in these video series, you'll have remembered that when I got the boat, it did have some carpet in here. It did have quite a bit of a mold problem, so I tore it out the day I got it. And I haven't done anything with the floor since. So today I got some new carpet. I actually ordered this from Amazon. It is a marine grade carpet. Got a big roll of like, I think it was 20 feet of it, 6 by 20 feet for like under $60. It was like maybe $65. Just a 9 by 6 piece should be about right. I might just have to cut around the corners in the back here to make everything fit. But otherwise, I'm just gonna go pretty much straight across because this is just under 6 feet from side to side. And then I'll just go up the wall on each side a little bit so I can avoid ripping the carpet lengthwise. All right, so I've got it laid down here, and it's definitely a major improvement over the wood floors, and this it's definitely starting to look like a boat again. So it fits pretty well. Just like I said, we're just gonna lay it in there at 6 foot wide and just kind of let it right up the walls there. Really the only cutting I'm gonna have to do now is just this back section here. I'll probably just cut this back, so this just will end here, and then I'll cut a flap and then kind of maybe just do an overhang into the bilge area there. Just do that on the other side as well. So with the carpet installed, really the last project I had to complete was getting the outboard running. So when I bought this boat at auction, it was advertised that it was an outboard in good working order, and that seemed to turn out to be pretty much true. Really going through, the only thing it needed was an impeller, which I just had to take off the lower unit to replace that, but that's a pretty standard part to replace, so not too bad overall. All right, I'm gonna start it. So with that new impeller installed, I got the boat back into the garage and set up a tub of water to kind of just run it in temporarily to test it out to make sure it starts up. So it took a little bit of troubleshooting and adjusting and choking, priming, things like that, but eventually it did start up. So let's take a look at how that played out. Yeah, choke. So at long last, this boat's kind of coming together. With the outboard working, it's pretty much ready for the lake. Just a few minor things to finish up before I actually take it out. So watch this space and stay tuned for my next video on when that actually happens. Thanks for watching.